Your house might look clean after having people over. Dishes washed, trash taken out, floors vacuumed. Everything looks back to normal. But the air tells a different story. Think about everything that gets brought into your house when people come over. Cardboard boxes, shoes from outside, storage bins pulled out of the garage or attic, artificial decorations that have been sitting for months, glitter, dust. All that gets stirred up and pulled into your air system. Most people deep clean what they can see: counters, floors, shelves, bathrooms, and that stuff matters. But your air system is quietly collecting everything you cannot see. Every time the heat kicks on, it's circulating whatever is floating around in the air. January is actually one of the most common times filters get clogged faster than people expect. And it catches people off guard because the house looks fine. Nothing looks dirty. Nothing feels obvious. But the filter has been doing a lot of work in the background. So if your home feels stuffy, dusty, or just kind of off right now, it's probably not your imagination. Quick question for you. When was the last time you changed your air filter? Be honest in the comments.